Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with an unboxing. This is Color Street's Color Play August box, Café Book Club. I want to say that's what it is. I am filming this away from my normal location, so it looks a little different, but thought I'd share with you anyways because I knew that the box would ship when I was gone, so I had it shipped to where I am at. So here we go. First impressions. Let's open up this box. Okay, there's a little pamphlet, which I will look at the end. I don't want to spoil the surprise. Looks like nail decals. Hello. Let's take a look at these. Wow. Very fall looking, like jewel tone colors, which I love. But they're really big. That'll be interesting. How will I incorporate that into a mixed mani? We'll see. But looks like that is the item that is not nail strips. The usual prep pad and file are included. Sorry of the close-up view of my hand there. But here we are. Nail prep pad. File, and let's take a look at the strips. First one, what is this? Ooh, it's a split strip, it looks like. Is that a dark navy blue? Oh my goodness. What's this one called? Open book. Open book looks like, indeed, it looks like a dark navy blue. Almost kind of like Figure It Out. Figure It Out was a purple though, and maybe Deep Diving. But I don't think we've had a color like this, and we haven't had split strip in a while, so not since I feel like the original first December box. That was like the Roaring 20s. All right, what else? What's this one called? Let's take a look. Oh, I already see it on the thing. It says Bookworm. Hey, I've never noticed that before. Did all of them come with little stamps on the outside of the covers? I feel like no. Bookworm. All right, let's see what Bookworm looks like. It looks like kind of like a French tip. Oh, they called it. Some of my Color Street nail buddies on Facebook kind of said that there's got to be a tortoise shell kind of theme incorporated with it. So it looks like here it is with the little French tip kind of cut. And that's the tortoise shell. All right. I like that style on glasses, but I don't know if I'm going to like that very much on my nails. But I guess we will see when I actually do a mixed mani how I feel about it. This one's called First Edition. First Edition. I do like that the names kind of go with the theme of the box. Ooh, that is some microfine glitter right there. Like super duper fine. Very reminiscent of, I want to say, champagne sugar and glitter sweet. If they had a baby. I like this one though. That's definitely got to be a glitter overlay, I want to say. Okay, really like First Edition. And let's take a look here. Foreshadow. Foreshadow. What's Foreshadow? Oh, it's another of that navy blue. Except it's a full strip of the navy blue. Foreshadow. All right. So what do we have in total? We've got these plus this plus this. I should probably put them all in order like that. There we go. And that is what's included in the August box. So not as excited I'm not as excited about this box as I was the July one for sure. But here's Café Book Club. Let's see what they've done with this one. So, in this month's box, be the hero of your own story and color plays Café Book Club. This box features romantic deep navy solid and split strips, a mysterious sheer tortoiseshell dual-ended jelly, and a magical holographic and gold glitter overlay that will turn your imagination into reality. Follow any of the 3 suggested nail designs or create your own bespoke mani, all while enjoying a well-deserved coffee break. Here we go. Let's take a look at the different ones. You've got Buy the Book, using just the 2 strips there for an easy mixed mani. You've got Novel Idea, using the 3 different strips. And then you've got Strike a Prose, using the nail stickers with 2 others. I'm definitely going to be doing something different than that. And let's take a look and see the back. So the bonus item, as mentioned, are the nail stickers. And then you've got Foreshadow, which is the full strip of navy. And then you've got First Edition, which is the full strip of a holographic gold glitter overlay. So it's definitely an overlay, clear overlay with the glitter. And then Bookworm, full strips of that. It's a jelly shade, dual-ended, it says. So you can use it as a full or you can use it as a French, is basically what they mean by that dual-ended. And then Open Book is that navy split strip. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm not, like, overly excited for it. I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? If you got the box, did you love it, hate it, in between like me? And for those that are just viewing the video and just wanted to see what it looked like, what are your thoughts? Comment below. Otherwise, I will see you all when I return with a mixed mani chat. But thanks for watching, and again, see you next time. Peace.